Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2016 set 2 question number 28. Consider a set U of 28 different compound in a chemistry lab. There is a subset S of U of 9 compounds, each of which react with exactly 3 compounds of U. Consider the following statements. 3 statements are given. Which one of the following statement is always true, and 4 options are given. So in every option it's given U difference S. U minus S, here U is the total set and S is a subset. U contains 23 elements and from that S contains 9 elements. We can say S is a subset of U. And here U minus S. U minus S means we can say S complement. So there are total 23 compounds and from that S contains 9 compound. Since U is the universal set, U difference S is the S complement. Suppose S contain 1, 2, 3 till 9, then U difference S will be 10 till 23. Let me consider these compounds to be vertices of graph. So there are total 23 vertices in a graph and there is a subset S of U of 9 compound and each of which react with exactly 3 compound. So there are 9 compound that react with exactly 3 compound. We'll add edges as the reaction between the compounds. So 9 compound will react with the 3 compounds. So we can say there are 3 edges from one vertices or one node to its neighbor. So like this there is a graph. There are 9 vertices whose degree is 3. But according to graph rule, even vertices can have odd degree if it is a simple graph. In this graph there are no multi-edge, no loop, no direction. So if one compound react with other means that compound also react with the same. Like these two, let A, B. If A react with B means B also react with A. So it is a undirected simple graph. In undirected simple graph, even number of vertices can have odd degree. So there cannot be exactly 9 vertices whose degree is 3. Now read the statements. First statement, each compound in U difference S react with an odd number of compound. So U difference S means S complement. So S that react with odd number of compound, that 9 vertices degree is 3. After that there may be some vertices whose degree may be 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, that can react with any number. So each compound in U difference S or S complement react with odd number of compound, that is wrong. Next, at least one compound in U difference S react with odd number of compound. This is true as here 9 vertices degree 3, but in undirected simple graph there should be even number of vertices degree 3. Means there should be at least 10 vertices whose degree are odd. So at least one compound present in S complement reacts with an odd number of compound. Next statement 3, each compound in S complement react with an even number of compound. This is false as exactly 9 vertices cannot have odd degree. There must be even vertices have odd degree. So there must be at least one vertices having odd degree and here it's written each compound. So due to this it is false. So answer will be option 2. This graph have no multiple edge, no directed edge. If one compound react with other means that compound also react with the same. And there are single edges between both. And no loop, hence this is a simple undirected graph. And in simple undirected graph, even number of vertices can have odd degree. And here 9 vertices have degree 3, that is odd. So there must be at least one vertices whose degree is odd. So this extra compound must belongs to that S complement because 9 compounds in S already have degree 3. So this implies statement 2 is true and statement 1 and 3 is false. So answer will be only 2. So this question is more about graph theory rather than set theory. It's just written ki set U, set S, but this is more about graph theory. I'll discuss graph theory later. Till now I already discussed set theory. Just go through set theory lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.